When we looked at this property, it was for sale for 230,000 euro, but now it's 110,000 euro, which could be the bargain of the century for the right buyer that wants a beautiful farmhouse and an olive grove. We looked at this house back in 2023, and it's been out on the market ever since. I love it. He looks at me and goes, "This is a big job." I'm like, duh. I feel like I'm getting the black lung in here. This is horrifying. Holy shit. In a relaxed mode, this is a $1 million project. Oh, it's a lizard. Okay. You're laughing? I thought it was a fucking rat. Hi. We're at another property with Federico today. This property is a rustico with a lot of land. There is an olive grove. So it's a main house, and then there are 2 outbuildings as well. It looks like a ruin to me. Let's say you don't want to do that. You don't want to do the renovation. You can just literally take this all down, save all the rocks to use in your future project, and build something, you know, new, old. All these outbuildings, you can take the square footage, you can combine it, and then you can increase it 30%, and then you have a nice sized home. So that's definitely a possibility here. Okay, continue.
E sotto c'è, adesso andiamo a vedere, c'è una peschiera dove raccoglievano l'acqua.
They can't actually repair a cistern, they have to just build a new one. So don't get excited when they say, oh, there's a cistern here, because it's probably leaky and it probably doesn't work. So, questo è nuovo, questo?
No,
Okay,
sempre
yeah, okay. So
è come una piscina.
Yeah, questo non funziona. Non funziona per piscina, non funziona da niente. You know.
Via.
Don't get super excited about this when you see this. You cannot use these tiles, people. You cannot use them. They are old, they will break. They have the nice new modern ones. That's the thing. So this is trash, just so that we're clear, okay? You cannot use those. Because they would say, oh, we have a cistern. Oh, we have this. Oh, look, we have a bathtub. We could use that. No, we're not using that.
Diciamo un rudere, perché abbiamo soltanto la volumetria, ormai.
Oh, this is so cool, the bamboo's growing through here. What a disaster.
C'è una grande lavorazione da fare.
I love it. He looks at me and goes, this is a big job. This is not a renovation. This is a tear down. So you're basically buying the square footage at this point. You know, for somebody that wants to move to Italy, wants to have sort of a mini farm, this is great. This is good for that. Yeah, it's really ideal, and you're not far away from things, and yet you feel like you're out in the middle of the countryside. So it's kind of nice. I love the location of this particularly. Do I have $1 million to put into this? Because this is a major project. I mean, this is not move-in ready. This is a love story where you fall in love with it, you fall in love with the property. I think this is a good deal for $250,000 because you get all this property, all this land. It is quite nice. There would be parking. You put a parking place here. You could put a pool here. This is kind of cool if you want a really big Italian project. This is the big Italian project. This is it. Name this video, The Big Italian Farmhouse Project. My big fat Italian farmhouse project. Oh yeah, it's beautiful. It will go away, but he's showing me all the things. I would salvage everything and start anew.
Questa diventa una taverna favolosa. Qui ci facevano
It's a cantina.
il vino.
Yeah.
Era una cantina fantastica perché ad archi con le arcate.
Well,
La
I don't know
struttura
if it's
è
fantastico. Let's not get hysterical. I mean, it's nice.
A me piace tutto quello che è storia.
No,
che è
yeah,
tutto...
I know, but it's going away. I know you're sad, Federico, but it's gonna go bye-bye. As with everything, this is not freestanding. It's got this little building in front of it. I would talk to those people and see if they're willing to sell their property. Because if they are, then you can just take the whole thing down. I don't think they would sell it for very much. So that would be my stipulation if you're really super interested in this property. I just don't think this is a restoration project. It's just, Oh yeah, this is going by. Wow. Qualcuno vive qua?
No, dal 2010 non vivono più qua.
Yeah, no one's lived here for 10 years. And it smells like it.
Questo è castagno.
Yeah, this is for me, I mean, I don't know that we necessarily need to go through the entire building. Would you like to do that? Okay, Michael would like to do that. Only because I'm tearing it down. I'm not doing anything to it.
It's not about you.
All right, Michael, I'm going to give the tour. Even though I would just bomb this place out. All right, so this is the living room. Okay, let's go.
Ok. Porte originali.
Okay.
Prego.
This is the bedroom. I mean, this is something that they probably renovated in the 50s. You know, this is probably... Quanti anni questo?
La casa l'origine è 1500. 1500.
So it's like, you know, 1500s.
Era più piccola, eh?
Yeah, so then I think what they probably did is came through like in the 50s. You can tell from that cabinet, they sort of started to furnish it for themselves. It's just Unga Pachka patchwork city in here. This is what I'm saying, though, is why you grandfather in all the other square footage. In the 21st century, we don't live like this, you know, and this isn't move-in ready, so it wouldn't be like, oh, just buy it and move in and renovate it. I mean, this needs a lot of love before you move into it. It needs to be, it's very humid in here. It needs a lot of dehumidifying. It needs, all this plaster needs to be ripped off the walls and redone. I mean, there's a lot of, I don't feel like I'm tearing apart history because I feel like you could take all of this stuff out, save it, and reuse it. All of it's reusable, all the good parts. And then the bad parts you just, you know, get rid of.
Questa sicuramente da togliere è una cosa che, perché qui ci sono delle scale incredibili.
So he thinks this is an incredible staircase. I want you to go ahead and get a shot of that. Because that's a good sales job right there. So those would get ripped out for sure. Because that's a death trap right there. Just fall off and kill yourself. And
Doesn't go anywhere.
the staircase to nowhere? Big kitchen, okay, big kitchen. If only we had smell-o-vision. I like that the cameraman's laughing.
Positives, come on.
That stove is very cool, I will say. But come look at this window.
Passaggio.
Yeah, this is, it's pretty wild. Yeah, it is a big kitchen, I will say. So I would not renovate this, but if you were, you know, wanting to, I'm not here to tell people what to do. I'm just telling you what I would do. But you can see all this dampness, everything has to be pulled out. I mean, it's just not good. That's a sunroof right there. This is a house with a sunroof.
E abbiamo un preventivo di 90.000 euro per fare il tetto nuovo. Totale.
Oh, okay, so this is a great piece of information. So this is why I'm ripping it down, the house. They got an estimate to do the roof on this, which, you know, 90,000 euro, just for the roof. So you're already at 100 grand in dollars, over, just for the roof. In a relaxed mode, this is a $1 million project. If you tear it down, it's probably going to be, honestly, I think maybe less if you tear it down. It would cost more to renovate this, I think, than it would to build a new one. My only stipulation is, can we tear this down if it's attached to another building? I think we can. Oh my God, what is this? Holy crap. I mean.
Dad, what do you think about raising kids here?
Yeah, this is one spooky room that you're in. I feel like I'm getting the black lung in here. I don't know that I want to go up here. Like, I'm like a little afraid. I mean, is this just tied up here? This is scary. Sono paura.
No, perché c'era un discorso...
Oh, sono paura.
No, un discorso... No, qui è bello, c'era solo un discorso di api.
Okay.
No problem.
Oh. This is horrifying. Holy sh**. Look at that.
Now no, eh?
And this looks like, so I saw this movie that was just out. Oh, it was a lizard. Okay. You're laughing? I thought it was a fucking rat. Okay, so
Eccolo là.
I saw this movie where like they hung a bunch of people like simultaneously. I mean, this is the room they filmed it in. Oh my God, I have like nightmares. Oh. No, this is terrible. This is a teardown. Come on. Oh my God. E perché questo qua?
Questo
What is this?
perché dopo lì ci tenevano gli uccelli.
All right, I can't. We're gonna whiz through here. I got very bad energy in here. Oh yeah. No, this is a no. This is no. Okay, I'm running down the stairs now. Okay, I'm going down. Bye. I get very bad juju here. This room. Oh my God. Oh, bad energy. Bad energy, running down the stairs, although I can't really run down the stairs. Well, this was terrible. Oh, God. This was terrible. Okay, are we done? Oh, God. I don't even know. Like, I need more thumbs is what I need. I literally would give it this, which I know is weird for me, but if you want to renovate it, I say this. And if you want to buy it and tear it down and have a beautiful farm here, I say this. So that's my assessment of this property. And I think that Federico is being held captive in the attic by demon spirits. So here's what I do. This house is actually attached, so it's in a small village. So the house next door obviously will stay. I don't think we're going to be able to buy it, so we're going to move on from that thought. I'm going to take part of this building, the part that's attached, I'm going to put a garage below and an apartment above. So if you have guests staying, or you want to have someone live with you, your mother-in-law, your father-in-law, your brother, your sister, a friend, they can stay in the front part of the house. We would wipe everything out going all the way back. I would do a garden, a pool, beautiful sitting area that has a pizza oven, you can barbecue there, an outdoor kitchen perhaps, and then on the far end would be the new construction main house using the old stones, all the found objects that you've taken out, and make a gorgeous brand new house that looks like an old farmhouse and has all the amenities, big kitchen, big living room, maybe 2 or 3 bedrooms with ensuite bathrooms, and a big terrace to look at the gorgeous view. You have a beautiful view of the castle, Verrucola, you hear the bells. It's quite stunning. And then you can do your olive grove, you can do your paddocks for your animals if you want, a chicken coop, and you can have this gorgeous farmhouse in the middle of the countryside, yet in a very good location because it's close to all the amenities that you need, grocery stores, gas stations, etc., etc. That's my plan.